In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CoinMarketCap's volume filter to discover coins that match your trading preferences. Whether you're looking for coins with high trading activity or those with more modest movement, understanding how to navigate these filters can be incredibly helpful. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open CoinMarketCap. Simply head to your web browser, type in coinmarketcap.com, and you'll be directed to the home page. Once you're there, take a moment to absorb the wealth of information presented to you. CoinMarketCap is a powerful tool for accessing real-time data on cryptocurrencies, giving you insights into market trends, individual coin performance, and so much more. Next, locate the Filters button, which is positioned just above the list of coins. Clicking on this button will open up a whole menu of filtering options, designed to help you refine your search according to specific criteria. Today, we'll focus on the volume filter, which is all about identifying coins based on their 24-hour trading volume. This is particularly useful if you're interested in understanding the level of trading activity a coin experiences, as volume can often provide clues about a coin's liquidity and market interest. Now, scroll down until you find the Volume 2024 option in the Filter menu. This section allows you to input a range that represents your preferred trading activity level. For example, you can set a minimum volume of $10 million and a maximum of $500 million if you're aiming to identify coins with medium trading activity. This range helps you find coins that have a balanced level of engagement, not too high and not too low, which can be ideal for various trading strategies. Once you've decided on your range, click the Apply Filters button. You'll notice that the list of coins updates automatically to show only those that fall within your specified 24-hour trading volume range. This refined list now highlights coins that meet your criteria, helping you pinpoint potential trading opportunities more efficiently. Now, a couple of pro tips to enhance your experience. Using this filter strategically can help you spot highly traded coins, indicating liquid markets or low-volume coins, which might be less active but potentially less volatile. Furthermore, don't hesitate to combine this with the market cap filter. This combination allows you to find coins that are not only actively traded, but also substantial in size, providing a more comprehensive picture of their market standing. I'm curious to know if you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, focusing on different filter types such as category, network, exchange, or price change. Let me know, and we can work towards building a complete filter series. Remember, mastering these tools can significantly enhance your trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.